Good morning, you guys. So I'm gonna update you because I never recorded because my phone isn't waterproof. We went to the beach yesterday. If you guys haven't seen the video, which I should be putting it up today, I've just been really tired. We went to the beach, and if you can't tell, I'm freaking sunburned. My hair's all over the place. My face sunburnt, my back is sunburnt. So we went to the beach yesterday, ended up having some fun. We went to like really tan. If you guys can't tell, like super red right there. One of my nails, two of my nails didn't make it, both my thumbs didn't make it, but that's okay. Because I could put new ones on. The rest of them did last though, on the beach. I'm pretty impressed about that. I don't really have anything to update you. Kevin's at work, Abby's with my in-laws and Big Bear. Yeah, I can't move. I can't even sit. It hurts too bad. I've been sleeping all day, so probably will be sleeping all day. Probably update you guys when Kevin gets home. So, love you guys. Bye.